In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Buy Me a Coffee account and share your donation link on mobile. Let's get started. First, open your web browser like Safari or Chrome, and then go to buymeacoffee.com website. Once you're on the site, tap the Start My Page button. Now, choose a username for your page. When you find one that's available, tap Sign Up and then select your preferred sign-up method: Google, Apple ID, or email. I'll use Google for a quick setup. After signing in, complete your page details by adding a profile photo, your name, and a short bio. You can also add your social links in the provided fields. Once everything is filled in, tap Next. Next, set up your payout method. Select your country, then tap Enter My Bank Info to add your bank details. You can skip this step for now, but you'll need it later to receive payments. Once your page is ready, you can get your donation link by tapping the share icon and then copy. Your link will look like buymeacoffee.com/your username. You can share it on social media, send it through email, or add it to your social bios.